Hi, welcome to English 100 for the summer semester of 2020. My name is John Walsh. I'll be your instructor this summer for our 6 weeks together. While this is a composition class, the theme of this composition class is food, and we have a driving question, which is, how should we eat? We'll be reading text about food and our food systems, how the production of our food affects us and the environment, the world around us. We'll, of course, also be talking about composition and rhetoric, how to write an essay, how to format an essay, how to structure an essay. We'll talk about how to make successful and interesting thesis statements, how to support those thesis statements with topic sentences and body paragraphs and quotations and evidence, and how to successfully, write so that a reader is interested in what we have to say, believes what we have to say, and can be convinced by what we have to say. Because this is an online class, we will be doing a lot of our work, obviously, online. We'll be taking some quizzes. We will have discussions where everyone will be required to contribute. We will have, I will record some lectures for you, talking about writing and talking about food. We may have some of those live, but all of them I will record, and they will be available for you to watch and refer to. I will be providing lots of handouts on the writing process, on rhetoric, on proper use of quotations, proper formats. So it should be a fun semester. This is my first semester teaching online. I'm used to being in a classroom and leading discussions in class. So this is new for me, and I think will be very interesting. Hopefully you still enjoy the class and you'll come away with some new information about food and some good information about writing so that you can take on into the rest of your college career and into the rest of your lives. Again, welcome to summer 2020. Please feel free to use the Canvas inbox to communicate with me whenever you have any questions, and I look forward to working with all of you. Thank you so much.